How to change email address in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on Intuit account in the bottom left corner. Next, look for the sign in and security option in the left sidebar and click on it. Here you will find the option to change email address. After that, tap on the email address section. You will now be asked to verify your identity for security reasons. Mint may ask you to enter your password or send a verification code to your current email or phone number. Complete that step to proceed. Once verified, you can now enter your new email address. Make sure the email is one you have access to, as you will receive a confirmation message. After typing the new email, tap Save or Update to apply the changes. Now, check your new email inbox for a confirmation link from Intuit. You must click this link to complete the update. If you don't verify it, the email sends won't go through. Also remember to use this new email the next time you log into Mint. And that's it. Now you know how to change email address in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.